welcome in to a little stash buster. Well, I say buster. You can delve into your stash for this. Make something with your chunky or your super chunky. That's what works best with this. Now, you can either do whichever one you're comfortable with. You can either start by doing a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slip stitching to that very first to make your ring. Or if you prefer, as long as you've got enough tail, do yourself a magic ring. And I'm going to stay with that so I don't have to undo it again. Make sure the ring is nice and big. And then from here, as soon as you've done your ring, whether you've done your chain and then your slip stitch, or whether you've just done to this, chain 1, which I've just done, then do a single crochet into that ring. Oops. Followed by a double. When you've done your double, do a chain. And we're going to picot, so you want to go into the very top of your double and right through both legs. Yarn over and pull right the way through. From there, you're going to go straight down and do a single crochet into the ring, followed by a slip stitch into the ring, and another single. Oops. And a double. Again, when you've done your double, chain 1 and do your picot by going into the top of that double and slip stitching out. And then single crochet to close off that point, because we've got a point there and a point there. Okay, we're going to have a beanie join. Give me a second. I have to move so Bean can get on a chair. Okie doke. So once you have, what have I done? Done my picot, single crochet, need to figure out what I was doing now. Single crochet then. Don't you hate that when you just, your mind goes bye bye? So you've DC'd, you've single crocheted into the ring, and we're going back to another slip stitch. Another, thank you Beans, another single crochet. Yes, another single crochet followed by a double crochet, as soon as you've done your double crochet, chain 1 to complete your picot, slip stitch through the lot. Bean, would you like your chair? Give me a second. I don't think I'm going to get rid of her that easily today. After you've done your picot at the top, we then put a cat's ear in it. No? Okay. Single crochet back into your ring. Then slip stitch. Excuse me, Beans. Thank you. Slip stitch into the ring. Single crochet into the ring. Bean, really? Can you move your ears, please? Thank you. Double crochet into that ring. When you've done your double crochet, chain 1 and do your picot. Bean, really? From there, single crochet into the ring. You can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points on the star so far, so we need to do another one. So slip stitch into the ring, single crochet into the ring, double crochet into the ring. When you've done your double crochet, chain 1, picot, if you're unsure how to do picots, I will link them down in the description below for you. So once you've finished your picot, you need to do a single crochet back into the ring, and we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as you've done that last single crochet, slip stitch into your first stitch made, put down your hook, take out your scissors because you're fastening off. Remember to pull your tail to cinch it all up. And there you have a star. Nice and easy, 5-pointed star. Do you mind? Your whiskers are making the focus go wrong. All you need to do is just get those sewn in, or maybe you can even make a garland. If you do a few of a different colour, garland. Beanie, can you please move your face? Just for a moment. So there we have it. A star. Nice and simple. Just weave in your ends, unless you're making a garland with them. Quick and easy for a chunky or a super chunky. Maybe come back next week for a different stitch tutorial. Until then, we say bye-bye from myself and the Bean. Take care. Bye-bye.